The key is, do not go through your life asleep and then ask yourself, how did I end up here? Because you will end up somewhere. And if you don't like it and you're 35, it's a lot harder to make those changes. You can make them. You can make changes at any age. But if you just keep floating along where life takes you without asking yourself what you like, and by the way, it's very hard to know what you like if you don't know who you are. And many people were raised in environments where they didn't have a chance to discover who they are. Many people have been in lives that are about surviving and they don't have time to ask themselves those questions. But you can carve out 5 minutes a night and say, what did I like about today? What worked today?
Yeah, and how do I find more of that?
Correct.
Yes.
What felt good today? And then, that felt good. What felt good about it? And name it. And really understand that for yourself.